this tech tip, you will learn about how to create ball joint constraint in an assembly using NX2306 version. To create ball joint, I have a relevant part models with me as you can see here in the assembly navigator. To open ball joint, I'll go to Assemblies tab, Position Group under the drop down of Joints and Coupler. Here you can see the ball joint. After clicking this, the dialog box will appear. First I need to specify the vector and the point for the first object. I will choose face in ball joint as a vector. For the point, I will open point dialog box. I will choose arc, ellipse and sphere center. Now select sphere, click OK. For the second object, I will choose vector as face and head. And for the point, open point dialog, select arc, ellipse and sphere center. Select the object as face and head. Click OK. Click OK to create a ball joint. Now you can notice under constraint group, the ball joint has been created. You can also notice that by moving the component, only 3 rotational degrees of freedom are free in X, Y and Z direction. Here you can see in the graphic window.